Our next field is going to be the positions. So it indicates here that if there's more than one position, they're going to be separated by a pipe with a little bit of spacing on each side. So let's see how that works. So we can do that with views. Let's first add the position as a field. Notice that there's two position items here. One is position, one is field position delta. For a field with multiple values, the delta indicates which numbered value it is. So if we had 3 positions, the first position would be delta 0, the second one would be delta 1, and the third one would be delta 2. It just starts at 0 and increments by 1. We don't want that. We want the position, so we'll click that and click Add and Configure Fields. So let's save this and see what it looks like by default. I'll click Apply. So you can see that the multiple values are being concatenated or pulled together with a comma and space, but we want a pipe. So let's edit this. We'll go to Position, and we'll click on the multiple field settings here. The display type here has simple separator, and it has the comma and space. Let's change this to space, pipe, space, and let's click Apply. So here we go. This looks right. Let's jump back to our wireframe.